In this video, we're going to show you how to install tailgate cables on your Toyota Tundra located on your tailgate. Now on this end here, we have a T40 Torx bit. We're going to have to remove that to install this end here. At the other end, it's a spring clip. So we're going to use a pocket screwdriver, and on the one that's on the vehicle, we're going to get right behind this clip. We're going to flex this out and then pull it off of the stud that comes through the other side. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver and pop off the little plastic retaining collar here. It's going to come off with the metal tab. Then we'll pull that bolt out. Slide that up and off. Installation. Simply line up the pin on the bed with the large hole on the tab, push it in, and pull that down. Install the bolt on the front side. I'm going to install our metal tab here, and then slip on our plastic retainer. Now if that retainer is missing, it's not the end of the world. You don't necessarily need it, but we're going to reuse it because we have it. Then we'll go ahead and line this up. Now this tab here needs to fit inside this hole. You may have to lift the tailgate a little bit for that to line up, because the purpose of the tailgate cable is to keep it from hitting the bumper, so it is going to lift it up a little bit to hold it. Let's go ahead and secure that in. And we're going to repeat this process for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.